Cardi B is making sure all the rumors surrounding her upcoming single are being stopped dead in their tracks. Contrary to all the recent reports about Cardi B's upcoming single, she does not have a Nicki Minaj diss track coming out, and that came straight from Cardi's mouth. Or, well, in this case, her fingers. You guys, it all started when TMZ published a report about Cardi fighting with her team about her new music. TMZ sources claim that Cardi has already recorded a few new tracks, and some of the lyrics are huge disses towards Nicki. Upon hearing these verses, TMZ sources said that some members of her team think that Nicki's disses are so savage that they should be taken out. The same people reportedly feel like Cardi's disses would actually benefit Nicki by even giving her more attention. I mean, can you believe it? After this story started gaining momentum, Cardi decided to take matters into her own hands, as she often does, and control the narrative surrounding her new music. On Instagram, Cardi posted a screenshot, which has since been deleted, of a conversation between a member of her team and a guy named Charlie from TMZ. As you can see in the screenshot, Charlie is giving Cardi's team a heads up about the story TMZ is getting ready to post, to which Cardi's team then responded with, quote, "Cardi has no song coming out about Nicki. That's so false, and so your story would be false also. Cardi's next single isn't even a feature, and the content is about money. Your sources are liars." On top of revealing that the TMZ story about the diss track is completely false, Cardi also left a note to TMZ in her caption. Cardi wrote, quote, "Dear TMZ, you see, you really pressed my button a couple of weeks ago when you had photographers literally stalk me and my daughter when I clearly said repeatedly, I don't want to show my daughter. With fame comes crazy people, stalkers and psychopaths, so I want to protect my child until I'm ready to show her to the world. But no, integrity don't matter to you. Then you constantly got me in your blog spreading fake shit about me without doing your research, and even when we tell you that it's not true, you still push it. You mother effers need to get off my dick and start reporting about them actresses you used to report about, because I'm not the one to f with. Thank you. By the way, in real news, my single Money drops November 26th. Well, I guess that's it. What are your thoughts on all of this? Do you really think Cardi's new single is strictly about money? Or do you think there'll be a subtle Nicki diss in it, since the feud partially included claims from Cardi's side that Nicki tried to steal her bags? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, then click to the right to watch another video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thanks for hanging with me. I'm your girl, Susan Morad, and I'll see you next time.